Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. Mississippi only requires one if there isn't any room for the selling price on the title. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have the bill of sale filled out if necessary, and exchange payment. If you need to replace a title, you can apply for a duplicate at the Mississippi Department of Revenue. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. Make sure you remove them before the new owner takes possession of the vehicle. Be sure to return the plates to your county's tax collector's office. This state doesn't allow you to transfer the plates to another vehicle. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.